I don't know that song, so I can't sing it.
What one?
That one that you were just singing, Feeling Fine, I think it's called.
Feeling it.
I don't know how to sing that song. I don't know that one either. It was a Friday night, I looked alone, and got the feeling right, and she phoned me now. And then I turned on the TV, and that's about the time she walked away from me. Nobody likes you when you're 23. TV show, what the hell is ADD? I think I should act my age. What's my age again? What's my age again? In the hotel, in the hotel. Everyone knows, but they won't tell. Their half-hearted smiles tell me something just ain't right. I called you and on you for a long time. Ain't up on heartaches and cheap wine. Seen from you in 3 damn nights. I put your picture away. I love this song. You know this song? I believe, and you do what you wanna do. Wanna pick that avenue. It's all over you, not for me. My sister? Yeah. Holy pants. Nope, this one. Yeah, they're like felt or velvet. But since this one's ripped, I'm gonna like cut them off but have them jagged, and then I'm gonna do this one the same way. Like I'm Caprice.
I like it that way.
I don't like one holy knee. It don't match. I'm not an unmatching person. I have an issue with matching. That you need me. Truth in your eyes, saying you'll never leave me. Touch all your hands, says you catch me. What?
She's like, I'm gonna be back in town around 9.
Who did?
Erica. She still don't know. I know she has a fiance.
Yeah, really.
I'm like, she's like, sup?
Yeah, what
Come back.
Okay, I can't let this video go over 9 minutes because it takes forever to upload. I hate everything about you. Why do I love you? You hate everything about me. Why do you love me? Oh, sometimes it's gonna rain.
He's like,
Is that Tyus now?
no.
Is that?
Yasko.
Oh, Yasko the Bosco stick.
He's like,
Go to bed, mad at you, and I don't wanna go to bed, mad at me.
I'm like,
Go to
no.
bed, mad at you. Go to bed. Say hi to the camera. You've been on it the last 4 minutes. Hi. We some crazy bitches.
Don't
Yep.
post this.
I am posting it. This
Okay,
is a
take Yasko out of
future
it.
strip. No, I can't. I don't know how to go. Oh well, I'm the only one that said Yasko the Bosco stick. I was talking too loud. He couldn't hear what you were saying, anyways. But he don't know who I am. He didn't add me, so you don't have to worry about him finding my vids. Yeah, but he ain't gonna look for you or me. He don't know me. I ain't gonna talk to him. So, ain't none of y'all alone. If you're touched by the words of this song, baby. And I liked it.
Damn right I liked it. I loved it.
I kissed the girl just to try it. All friends of mine. It felt so right. It felt so right. Don't mean I'm in love tonight. I kissed the girl and I liked it. I liked it. Us 'Cause we are so much fun. Funny things, making love out on the lake, my favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow. Saying sweet home Alabama all summer long. No Marshall, and also go partial. That's ammo for my arsenal. I'll slap you off that boss too. Good Lord, another lawsuit. All across you, good loady woady, you must be gone off that water bottle. You want what you can't have. Ooh, bitch, that's too damn bad. Don't touch what you can't grab. End up with 2 back hands. Put anthrax on the Tampax and slap you till you can't stand. Don't mean to ruin your plans, don't mean to ruin your chance. But I do know one thing, no bitches, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday, girl. Till then, just sit your drunk ass on the fucking runway, ho. Baby, I ain't happy, baby. Many other things I cannot say. I think that you should let it go when you feel nice. Nobody to want you, but you know you gotta let it go. It's my body, yeah. I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Me fail, I want sugar pie on it, rolling the mail. Send the place out here. Mary, if I don't get some sleep, house buddy say I'm getting in too deep. Like it, I love it, I want some more of it. I try so hard, I can't rise above it. Friday night, away from this hell, I wanna fuck you like an from the inside. Fuck you like an animal. And talk to me. Together forever. Late at night, hold on to my pillow tight. Woo! So, I'm out to drink feel this way. I hear, boy, all I want is just a chance to say, yeah, get out right now. Fear you and me is in my heart. You're always on my mind. When I know it comes too much, never thought I'd hide. Do you know my world? My fault. Everything's my fault. Where's that airplane? I was like, come on, Bobby, let's go, Bobby. Come on, Bobby, go in the Bobby world. Life like plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, I'll just be everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation. Like me and one of my old best friends, Summer, we dressed up gothic and sang this song at karaoke. It was fucking hilarious. Because we both have good voices, but we were just like goth Barbie dolls singing Barbie Girl. Okay.
I'm gonna wear my
I got like 1 more minute left of video. No rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. I got bills to pay. I got mouth to feed. And ain't nothing in this world for free. You know I can't slow down. I can't stop now, even though I wish I could. There ain't no rest for the wicked till we close our eyes for good. Right now, now. I can't stop. No. You got a song you want to listen to? Whoops, and I can't that one. I got butt. I always had a ghetto booty, but that shrunk since I had my son. Because my ass used to be my best asset, but now I got my boobs, my face, and I still got an ass, and then I'm basically hot. Every guy calls me perfect, yet the one I'm in love with don't like me back, so I'm really pissed.
So
Okay.
I'll help her.
Bye-bye.